हेलो ट्रेडर्स, वेलकम बैक टू एक्सेल आर्गो ट्रेडिंग। यस ट्रेडर्स, आज का डेट है 31 जनवरी 2025। यस, आई विल जस्ट ओपन दिस। I don't know, it's getting slow. Yes guys, you can see today's date is 31st January 2025, Friday, and time is 8:28. Yes traders, you can see this is today's backtest. I'm just showing you about only options. I won't show you index today. Okay traders, I just want to say you one thing. I just want to say you one thing that tomorrow is budget. So as though tomorrow is a Saturday, but tomorrow budget is there, so tomorrow will be full day of market as usual, as like how Monday to Friday will be as usual. Tomorrow also market is there, but it will be a full day, and tomorrow is budget. So from this budget till 1 2 3 days, 4 days, up to 5 days, market will fluctuate very much. Either market can fall or either market can go up. We cannot say anything, but let's see how our breakout levels will give support to this budget. Well traders, as though tomorrow is budget, so market is there. Even I'll do a video of tomorrow also. Let's see how it works. Well traders, this is our main dashboard of our software, Excel Argo trading software. And yes, if you want to do any live trade, just turn on this and put exact today's date. Okay traders, well this you have to mention today's expiry date. So today expiry date changed, so we have mentioned here as a 6th of expiry date, and monthly expiry, weekly expiry, you have to mention each and everything properly. Okay, so 6th to 27th of monthly expiry and weekly expiry. Well traders, you can see here almost this is our market watch. This is where we can watch a market on you have to set the quantity of whichever instruments you want to trade. Well traders, today I'm just showing you about only options here, call options. So market was little bullish. Well traders, after setting your quantities here, you have to start the button and copy and paste here. Okay, even Nifty minimum is 75 and Bank Nifty is 59. Okay, well traders, coming back now, this is our order book. This is our order book where our orders get fired automatically. Okay, yes traders, you can see here our date, orders ID, buying or selling signals, and order type like MIS, today's trading symbols, which quantity, price, order type, LTP, MTM, this and all you can see this in our order book. Okay, next there is a breakout strategy. This is our breakout strategy. This is our so beautiful, simple breakout strategy. Well traders, here you can see this is today Nifty and Bank Nifty features, Bank Nifty features, Nifty features, call options, put options, everything will be there, and this will update at 10 o'clock, and you can see this levels remains same when you open at morning or when you open at night. The market's levels will be same here in our breakout strategy level. Okay, well traders, now next I just want to show you how our Nifty call options and Bank Nifty call options worked on our Excel Argo trading in breakout strategy. Okay, let's open our market. Will come from Nifty. So everything have made it ready, whatever I want to show you here. So I'm just opened with this strike number 23,350. Yes traders, opened this. So let me compare with this our breakout strategy, how it worked. So traders, this is a 23,350. This was our level. So this I have taken this only two I'll just show you. Okay, so buy here, you can see the signal here, buy signal, buy target 1, target 2, sell 1, sell 2, and LTP, call active, MTM, and today's high and today's low. Well traders, you can see this is our buy level activated, and signal already market is closed, so it is showing a buy level. Buy level means market was a little bullish, so buy level. Okay, so buy was activated here today in our breakout strategy. So buy was generated at 357. So guys, let's compare this. Buy was generated at 357, sell was generated at 335. I'll just compare this two here. So buy was at 357 and sell was at 335. Okay guys, okay, this was our chart which I'll show you here, and this is our buy target one. So you can see here almost our target is also done in our Nifty call option, strike price 23,350. So buy target one was here morning only. At morning only you will get this targets also, not that like after reaching you will get the targets. No, not like that. At morning only, as though this will open, this will also open at the same time. All targets will show at the time only, well, when our breakout strategy updates after 10 o'clock. So guys, this is our target one is hit. I'll show you 398. Yes, 398. This was our target one hit. So market was little confusing here, and straightly here at 11:48, exactly at 11:48 market went again on our buy levels, and market went up and it's hit our target one and profit was booked. Okay, let me see how many points market went up from our buy level. Almost 54 points went up from our buy level, guys. Okay traders, you can see next we'll go for strike price number 23,200. So 23,200, this one. So buy was generated here at 450 and sell was at 424. I'll just open this chart. Yes, buy was generated at 450 and this is where our market opened. Here our market was opened exactly at 9:15. Okay, so sell was at 426. It was for not, I just want to see once again, it was 424. It is 424. I just copy and show you again. Once again traders, little mistaken here. Yes, exactly 424 with PAYC also. I'm just mentioning exactly here. So buy was generated at 450. So target one is hit. You can see how so clearly that our target is hit here. Not one time, second time also our target got hit. Okay, this is our strike price 23,200. Even I'll show you our target hit. Our target was at 496. Yes, you can see here 496. Exactly 496 where market closed. Yes, you can see here. Well traders, let me see how many points market went up from our levels, buy level. This to here to here. Okay, we'll just see how many market went up from a buy level. Almost 70 to 71 points, almost 70 points market went up from a buy level. Okay traders, now next focus on Bank Nifty. So traders, Bank Nifty, you have taken the strike price 48,900. So this is the first one. Here buy is generated. So you can see the signal, buy signal, even MTM you can see here, MTM. So MTM was this much. So guys, strike price 48,900, buy was generated at 1520 and sell was at 1464. I just compare you and show it. I'll just open this chart now. As traders, you can see 520 and sell was at 464. 1464, yes, exactly 1464. You can see here 1520 and 1464. You can see here 1520 and 1464. Yes, let me see how our target one also. Target one by one. So by target one was at 1654. 1654. See guys, even here also our target is hit in our Bank Nifty also. Okay. So let me see how much market went up from a buy level. Yes traders, 224 to 25 points market went up from our buy level. You can see this much. Okay, here where our market gave a buy signal from in our breakout strategy, and market went up in our same way how our breakout strategies showed. Okay traders, now next we'll come for strike price 14, this much, 49,000. So 49,000 buy was generated at 14.57 and sell was generated at 14.07. Yes, 14.57 and 14.7. I think little 14.7. Yes, 14.57 and 14.07. Okay traders, you can see here as though I have mentioned the same numbers in our chat also, just to show you how where our buy was generated and sell was generated. But traders, just I'll show you today's buy level also. Buy level in buy target 1. So 1646 was our buy target 1. So 1546. Yes, exactly 1546 our buy target was also hit. Yes, you can see so clearly we are showing you here buy target is hit, and market went up almost 218 points from our buy level. Yes guys, this is how our breakout strategy work. Hope you liked it. So tomorrow is budget. Let me meet on again on tomorrow, Saturday. So guys, be very careful while the budget time, so that market will very fluctuated. Hope you liked it. Well, you have any doubts, you can call us on 8553029884. Even you can visit our website also. I have linked in description box. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.